Hey guys, it's Ebony and I'm back with another video for you. This time I'm going to be talking about Plentiful hair products. These products were sent to me just for the sole purpose of reviewing them for you, and I'm actually really impressed with these products. First, I'm going to start off with the amino stream sulfate free co-wash. The first thing I noticed about this co-wash is that it was super duper thick. Like, I've never used a co-wash this thick before. I could barely get it out of the bottle without really squeezing it, but that turned out to be a really good thing because this product was really moisturizing. As you can see, there are no suds, but if you're familiar with co-washes, then you already know that that's not uncommon, but it's one of the main reasons I stay away from co-washes. I just like for my hair to have a lot of suds, it lets me know that my hair is really clean. But that's why it's important to try new things, because I actually ended up really liking this co-wash. Now, once it was distributed all through my hair, the instructions say to leave it in for about 2 to 5 minutes, and that's exactly what I did. Now, once I had all the co-wash rinsed out, it was time to move on to step 2, which is the deep conditioning treatment. Now, much like the co-wash, the deep conditioner was just as thick and creamy, which I love. As you guys know, I love thick and creamy products. The deep conditioner went into my hair really nice and easy, super smooth. It coated all my strands really well, detangled everything even further. It created curl definition, all good signs in my opinion when putting a deep conditioner in your hair. Now, just to give you some background about these products are unlike any hair products I've used before. If you guys have been following my videos for a while, it's so funny, I say that all the time, but it almost always comes back to an old video for some reason. But anyways, if you guys have been following me, then you already know how I feel about avocado. It really moisturizes my hair. It softens it. It makes it it gets better curl definition. And you also know that aloe vera gel really did well with my hair, aside from the whole, build-up thing. It really softened my hair and conditioned it. And I know at this point you're probably like, why is she talking about avocado and aloe vera gel? That's so random. But I mentioned avocado and aloe vera because those are the two main ingredients in Plentiful's aloe vera complex. This complex is a blend of avocado and aloe vera oils that work together to improve the overall health of your hair and scalp and do other things that you want your hair to do, like shine, get really soft, really moisturized, and really manageable. And I must say that the co-wash and the deep conditioner deliver on all fronts. I'm not even joking, y'all. My hair was so soft after using those products. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and use is the curl defining styler. Now, they did send me 2 stylers. One styler is the one I'm using now, which is for curly/coily hair. They also sent me another one with feather weight hold promises. That's for straight and wavy hair. Now, surprisingly, that product was pretty thick, but I didn't want to put that in my hair and risk not getting the curl and hold that I wanted. And with this curl defining styler, the one for curly coily hair, it was another very thick and creamy product. My hair responded really well to this. It defined really quickly, really easily, and my hair felt super detangled, super moisturized, soft, everything. Like, these products really come through on everything that they promise. I'm really happy that they sent me these products, and I'm kind of disappointed that I've never heard of these products. I mean, I feel like I might have seen them in passing in like a Sally's or something. The label looks fairly familiar, but I could be wrong. But I don't know. I haven't heard anyone talk about them, and these products are really high quality. Now, all you're seeing me do here is my usual wash and go routine. So, of course I put the styler on first to help with defining the curls, and then I put the gel on top to hold everything in place. I'm just using Eco Styler gel. Yes, I'm still on that way because it hasn't let me down just yet. So I'm still on that olive oil Eco Styler gel. And yeah, everything seemed to be coming out really good. I can always tell how my hair is going to look when I'm, still in the wet stages because of how the curls are holding together. And I can tell you while I was doing my hair, I was very excited because, when you use new products, you don't want to have to worry about redoing your hair. You want everything to turn out really good. And yeah, with these products, I feel like you would definitely get your money's worth. I mean, these products were sent to me for the purposes of this video, but once I run out, I'm definitely getting more, especially the styler and the deep conditioner, and probably even the co-wash. I don't really like co-wash my hair that much, but this co-wash was really moisturizing for my hair, and I think it had a lot to do with why I had so much curl definition. Now, of all the things these products promise to do, the things that I think they delivered the biggest on would be fighting frizz, activating and defining curls, let's see, cleansing hair without stripping, detangling, and hair and scalp wellness. Well, probably I would just say hair wellness for now, because it's gonna take me some time to decide whether or not my scalp really likes this product. I didn't have any problems so far, but you know, that's kind of a long-term thing. But anyways, I can tell that my hair really loves this stuff. It absorbed everything really well, and it didn't have that caked up feeling of buildup, you know, or like that, you know, cheap feeling, you know, when you put in hair products in your hair and it's just like a mess. I didn't have that feeling. I felt like my hair was going to be better off for you having used these products. So if you're thinking of getting these products, go ahead and click the link in my description box. That way you can get all 4 products for just $25. And if you use the link in my description box, I get credit for it. So it's a win-win situation for us all. In the meantime, here are the results of my wash and go that I absolutely love. My hair came out super defined. If you like this wash and go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And as always, thanks for watching.